Hi guys, Wacky Facts with Jude. Welcome back to another video. Obviously guys, if you watched the video Survive, it went very wrong because I had my headphones in. And I haven't got my headphones with me at the minute, but how to get rid of hiccups, that got somehow 26 views and it's only 2 seconds long, and I didn't even explain it. So guys, today I'm going to show you a way how to get rid of hiccups, although I'm not sure if it works now because that was like 6 or 4 months ago. So guys, you might want to just test it because I've got no water up here because I'm in my bed. Okay, so how to get rid of hiccups. Step 1. I think there's about 4 steps in this, but first step, get some water. Step number 2, hold your breath in about halfway instead of going you go and then step 3, drink the water. And finally, step number 4, I think step number 4 is the final one. Swash it around in your mouth and just swallow tiny bits of it. Then, when you've swallowed all the water, you can breathe back in, and then your hiccups might be gone. I'm not sure guys, but you might want to try this if you have hiccups and you are watching this video right now. Anyway, make sure, whack the subscribe button, hit the bell, and make sure you smack the like button. That was a bit awkward there. Although, guys, watch other people's videos as well as mine, but I think you might want to watch my dad's videos the most, because we're desperate to move out of this house. Just saying. Stay wacky guys for another wacky fact. And anyway, if you click the subscribe button so much times, then maybe my school might watch one of my videos. And if you don't click the subscribe button or the like button, and if you hit the thumbs down button, I'm not sure if it's true, but I've heard it from other videos, you might get bad luck. But hopefully you'll get good luck if you press either button. Remember, it's not my choice, it's yours. Anyway guys, the main point, stay wacky. Wacky Facts with Dude is all I've got to say.